Hey guys, what's up? Dewan Harden here, and welcome back to a new video here on my YouTube. Um, Today's video, exciting stuff that I want to put out for you guys. Just as soon as I heard about it, I wanted to be able to, get this out to my subscribers, stuff like that. I want to reach out to you guys and let you know some awesome things have unfolded within my primary business, and I want to be able to share it with you guys here today. If you guys are not familiar, those who are new to my channel, my videos are strictly about learning how to work from home, um, basically building a lifestyle of freedom, passion, and fulfillment. So today's video is specifically going to be about my number one opportunity that's going to be offering financing to everyone. This business is across the board for everyone. It's not just United States. It's the entire country is involved in this business. It's available to everybody, and we are offering financing to everyone, and also with no credit check. Mind-blowing stuff going on here. Stuff that's never been done in any other business that I've ever came across. So with that being said, let's dive in a little bit deep with it. Basically, my number one business is, of course, FunnelX ROI. And FunnelX ROI is a business that is a total done-for-you system, as I talked about in previous videos, stuff like that. So basically, it is when you go into FunnelX ROI, you'll find everything step by step. And one of the main products that is within FunnelX ROI is this product that I have up on my screen right now, which is One Up. And with Easy One Up, it is quite simple. Basically, you're paying a cost. As low as you can come in is $25. As high as you can come in is $2,000. So it goes from $25 to $250 to $1,000. Actually, no, I'm wrong. Apologize. $25, $100, $250, $500, $1,000, $2,000. All right. And right now we're offering 100% financing with no credit check right now for the $1,000 level and the $2,000 level. Because quite honestly, that is the level that you really want to come in if you want to maximize on getting the higher commission levels. So you can get paid on the $25. If you come in at the $1,000 or $2,000 level, you can still get paid by your customers coming in at the $25, the $100, $250, $500. All right. And that's a wonderful thing to capitalize on. And under FunnelX ROI, it's not just Easy One Up that is involved in there. There are other programs that you can, of course, like your main thing that you're going to attach to, of course, is going to be Easy One Up. That'll be the first thing that you sign up into. Then from there, of course, you want to have an autoresponder or email responder so that when you're tracking your customers coming in, you want to be able to send out. We have strategic letters that we send out email-wise, and it's already done for you, set up for you. All you got to do is just copy and paste, set up, and it walks you right through that in the videos. Easy said and done. You're capitalizing off of just Easy One Up, as well as you're going to capitalize off of Aweber autoresponder, because that's what you're going to be utilizing within FunnelX ROI, as well as there's some other product within there that you can also capitalize on while people are trying to build up and stuff like that. So right now we are offering, like I said, financing, no credit check. That means we're not asking for your social. So anyone can get involved in this. All right. And that's just straight to the point right there. Like, that is mind blowing right there. I don't even know how to really express this if I'm not getting it across to you right now. Like, you should really be jumping in on this. Like I said, we're offering this across the board to everyone. No one is not denied and stuff like that, so it's 100% approved. So, excuse me, I'm getting caught up here in my throat here. But anyways, so if you guys are interested in wanting to know more about my product, about my business, I'll leave a link in the description for this so that you know step by step. Sign up. It's free to sign up, of course. And then from there, if you're interested in wanting to do the financing portion and know how that's all set up and what is required for that, like I said, all you really need is to have a working job. That's basically what it is. If you're renting, if you're owning, that's all we're asking for. We're not going into full details or any of that kind of stuff in the application process. I'll go over all that with you. If you want to know more about it, reach out to me, leave me a comment, and I'll definitely get back to you and we'll talk about it, But yes, 100% financing. Start getting these big commissions, these high ticket affiliate commissions. Change the game. Not only that, I'm offering this to you, but you'll also have the opportunity to offer this to your potential customers moving forward, following the guidelines of which I am providing to you. And it doesn't get any better than that. All right. So if you have any questions, like I said, leave me a thumbs up if you like this video, and hit that bell for notification, as I'll be putting out more and more content for you guys. And I'll keep you posted on things moving forward. Like I said, leave me a comment if you're interested and want to move forward with that, and I will definitely reach out to you. And of course, even if you are going to my link right now, activating my link, and you're sending me a message, I'll get a notification that you signed up, and I'll reach out to you anyway. All right. Like this video, like I said, leave me a thumbs up, and I totally appreciate you guys. You guys are awesome. I hope you're having a wonderful day. And if this doesn't inspire you to, get started right now in your business opportunity, to change the game for yourself for 2019, to have that lifestyle that you deserve for yourself and for your family, man, I don't know what you guys are waiting on. All right. Take care. Peace.